What's up, guys? My name is Kevin Bell. I am a full-time police officer. I'm a husband and dad of 3. I start, buy, and scale businesses, everything from self-storage to lawn care, in order to change the financial trajectory for my family. So here's the deal. I'm not asking you to like or subscribe to this channel. I'm just asking you to follow along with me here on my journey. The best way to do that is my newsletter. As I learn and do things, I will teach you everything I know. Entrepreneurship is a team sport. So let's go. Check this out. This is how I created a font out of my daughter's handwriting and my handwriting. So this is super cool. Inspired by a few other creators out there that did this. But it's kind of a process. So I wanted to walk you through the process the best I could. I created a document, and then I have this video, and I'll just share with you how to do it. Because you can do it on your phone and you can do it on the computer. I would say it's easier on the computer, but I wanted to get it into CapCut so that I could create captions. I might even edit this where this has captions with my handwriting, but I wanted to use it in CapCut as well. So I did it on my phone and then was able to add that into CapCut, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is the document that I'll share, and I'm just going to go through step by step, and so that you can see how I did this for all of my visual learners out there. Okay. So first, you're going to go to calligrapher.com, just an R at the end, and you can sign up for free just with your email, and free. You get one free font and then 75 characters to use, and that's fine. And the little hack that I found was if you do it on your phone, it's not registering the same font that you have on the computer, so you can kind of get 2 different fonts, or you could use a different email and just do it again. But it won't save in that folder. So here, let's go through this, and I'll walk you through. I'm going to log in. Okay. And you're going to go to create a template. Okay. So create a template, or do it from your phone, just like that. And then from there, create the template by selecting the characters that you want. Okay. So I had searched for numbers previously. That was a template I printed out. You'll want those as well. Right. So all of the caps and the lowercase. And then arbitrary characters. Let's see, miscellaneous here. Let's find those. Punctuation, basic punctuation. Okay, cool. So I added all of those basic punctuation, and so now I'm at 98 characters. And you want 75. So in order to go through and get to 75, just click on them and eliminate them. And on the phone, the best way to do this is turning it horizontal, because when you have it vertical, you can't see all the options. It's not super mobile friendly, and that's okay. So I walk you through step by step here. It's going to let you know that you're over, and all you need to do is just click on them and delete them. Okay, so I'm going to delete that, just those, that, boom. Yeah, there's a whole bunch here that we don't need, so it's just dropping those numbers down. It added a whole bunch of basic. What is that one? I guess I don't need that one, but I want those 2. Those are good. Don't need those. And I may or may not edit this loom. So this could be a long one. Okay, we're at 85. I did want that, not the percentage. It's tricky. You have to decide what you want to keep. 82, I forget what I had. I take that out, take the slashes out, guess I could take, no, I don't want that. Take that out. Commas, periods. I think I took the semicolon out. We're at 77. Oh, those. There we go. 76, and then one more. I'll take that out. Good. Okay, so 75. It didn't give me that warning anymore. There we go. 75. Okay. Next, you want to download the template. So this is what it looks like on the phone. I click download. I did it as a PNG, and then I clicked on the zip. So these are screenshots from my phone to show you what that looks like. Okay, and then it's going to go into your downloads. Find that in your downloads. Click on that so that it opens the zip. Right? Yep. Download it. Okay. Open it, and there you go. So you'll have that. Right? Those are the templates. What they look like is this. Okay. As you can see, these are the first templates I printed out, and I forgot to put the numbers. That's why I created another template for the numbers. I uploaded it, and I deleted some of these other ones. So it took a little finagling. But this is all just to get you to the point of having these templates. So what you can do from here, and I'll show you just what that looks like. So download template, PDF or PNG, doesn't matter. You're going to download. It's going to process. You're going to open it as a PDF, and then you're going to print that out. Okay. If you want to go on the handwriting style, so you could print it out and handwrite it, which is what I did. I used a Sharpie. I wanted it thick enough that it would show. But you could also, and I cover this in here. I wrote it by hand, and then I edited some by the phone, and then I took a picture of it, right? So I put it on a table, I took a picture of it, making sure that all four corners were in, and I uploaded it. You could also save it into your camera roll and edit it and write on your phone, or if you have an iPad and like Procreate or something, you could do it that way. I don't, so I hand wrote it, took a picture of it, uploaded it, worked totally fine. Some of them I had to edit by hand, not a problem. Okay, so also what's really cool is I printed another copy, and just like you see right here, I have my daughter's handwriting, I have my handwriting. I printed another copy of it, and I had my daughter write all of her letters out, and then I was able to take a picture and upload it that way, right? So it's easier if you want to do a child like that, just print it out and take a picture and upload it that way, okay? So as you go through, let's go back here. So let's just say that you've already uploaded. So let's go back here. If you go to the fonts page, you can, yeah, that could have been easier. I could have just went to my fonts, or you go home and then go to fonts page. Doesn't matter. You can upload a template. So the space that you're going to upload whatever you do is here, right? And then you choose the file. And from the phone, it looks like, did I screenshot that? I don't think I did. That's okay. That's what it looks like. You just go into My Fonts. Again, have your phone horizontal because you won't show visibly if you have it vertical. And then click on Upload Template. Choose the file, upload it, and then it'll upload, and you'll see all of this in here. And then you can go through each letter. So this is my handwriting right here. You go through each letter, and you can adjust the baseline, move it up, move it down, the size, whatever you need to do to make it fit. And there's a little bit of back and forth that you have to do. I get that. And just play around with it. It's not going to be perfect, but it's super cool, okay? After you do that, go back here. you're going to build your font. So click on build. Label it whatever you want. Test font in this case, so that I know which one I'm using. Build. It's going to process. That's what it's going to look like. You're going to click on either one, the TTF or the OTF, doesn't matter. You're going to download that, and that's going to show up in your downloads. So for the phone, you're doing the same thing. You build the font, you click on the name, the font name that you have, the TTF or the OTF, doesn't matter. And it's, where am I here? It's going to be in your downloads. Make sure I covered all that. Yeah, so go back to that same spot. Go back to your downloads, just like you did before when you were downloading the template, the one that you wrote on this. Okay, it's going to be in the downloads, that same spot. Now, in this case, it's on your phone, and so you might have to do this in two places. If you understand what I'm saying, is if you want it in Canva, which I'll show you how to do that in a second, the best way to do that is from the computer. But if you want it in CapCut, the best way to do that is from your phone. Here's the hack. If you do it on your phone and go through this process on your phone, just like I'm describing, I'm kind of describing both, you can airdrop the file wherever the file is, right? You can airdrop the file to your computer and then open it on your computer. So you really just have to go through it on your phone. I will say the user interface is much better on the computer, but you do you, right? I kind of had to do it both to figure all this out. So go through it on your phone, get it in your downloads. Now I'm telling you how to do it on how to get it into your CapCut. So go into your CapCut with whatever video or whatever you're editing, and then click on text. Okay, text box is going to pull up. You're going to go into fonts, and then you're going to go on add font. So select add font right there. Okay, and then add font. You're going to hit plus, and when you hit plus, you're just going to find it in your downloads, and then select it. Boom. And so you see, I did this a couple times. I kind of had to. I put it in, it didn't look as good as I wanted, and then I went back and I adjusted. But that's all you do. You go to CapCut, text, and then fonts, and then add font, and then the plus, you find it in your downloads, and then it's there. It is so cool. Now, captions of my videos will have my handwriting or my daughter's handwriting, which is awesome. Okay. Now, last thing, to add this in to Canva, which I use Canva a lot, and it's super cool to now have this in here. So I'm going to add a page just to show you. I'm going to select heading, and then all you need to do is go into the fonts, click upload a font, and then select that file. There you go. So select test font right there, whatever one you download, and then open. I'm not going to do that because I already have those in here. We're good to go. But then, check this out. I'll write it in my handwriting. So cool, right? And there you go. It's official. Yeah, so many cool things you can do with this. You can also add this into your internal fonts by going to font book on your computer, opening that, and simply dragging the file. And again, I'm not going to do this. I already did it. Dragging the file from your downloads into that folder, and then it uploads. And then you have it in your computer, and you can use it on a few different applications. So those are the steps. You will have this document right here to go through everything step by step, and then this video to walk you through it. Hope you enjoyed.